So it's been a while since I filmed another video with my Porsche, but I've been kind of busy working. But today I have a little bit of time to actually do a little bit of buffing on my car, and so I thought I'd make a short little video. I am by no means an expert at car detailing like this, kind of buffing and polishing, whatnot, but I've done it before, and I feel confident enough to do a good decent job trying to get some of these swirly marks out, little scuff marks, this and that. And so what I'm going to be using today is I'm going to just use a basic old polishing compound. It can be, I don't really think it matters that much what brand. It's a microfiber clean cloth, and I just picked this guy up at Harbor Freight. Some of their quality, isn't the best at Harbor Freight, but again, I've used this specific one in the past with my brother's, and it worked really well. He still has it. He's used it for like, I don't know, 3-4 years, and polished and buffed probably more than a dozen cars. Anyways, and it works pretty good. So, and then I bought a black foam pad that fits nicely in here. And we're gonna give this a go and see what happens. As you see, I already prepped some of this front with masking off the headlights with tape, because I've done this before without masking, and it is a nightmare. The polishing compound gets in everywhere and is just a pain in the ass to clean off. So let's not do that again, Andre. Let's not make that mistake. Okay, so what I had to do is I pretty much had to go and get a different polisher because the one I was using must have been old or something, and every time I started buffing, it would just stick to the paint like glue, and it was a real tough paint to get it off. So I went and I got some just turtle wax polishing compound, and this stuff works pretty good. I've already redid the whole front end basically. I got the hood buffed, the sides, the fenders, and it looking really good. Okay, so after properly covering the soft top with some painter's tape and paper, I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing this. Alright, then you just wipe it, and it looks marvelous. Alright guys, after a couple hours I got it nice and polished. Check it out. It looks marvelous. There is still every now and then a little scratch that's a little too deep. I would have to use rubbing compound for that, but overall I think it looks really good. Nice and shiny. There we have it.